Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. It's time again for What's Cooking with the Bear. After a long time of, being asked nicely, Twisted V Twin Garage, Mark, he's going to get his wish. I'm making chili. This is my super secret guarded recipe, how I make it, how I do it. But I'm going to share, love you all so much, I'm going to share it with you. So, got the ingredients over here. We'll get the camera turned around and I'll show you what we got going on. Alright y'all, this is going to be roughly a half a recipe of what I normally make. Normally I make it in a big turkey deep fryer kettle. I got a new glass top stove. I'm not confident that that thing will handle the weight of that being all the way full, so I'm going to try to cut the recipe in half, which means it's 2 gallons of tomato juice, a couple big cans of the crushed tomatoes, some cans of tomato paste, and 4 to 6 cans of beans. Also, we have our 2 pounds or 2.5 pounds of hamburger. Normally when I make about 4.5 gallon or whatever, I put 5+ pounds of hamburger in there and a couple onions, and a lot of the other ingredients are doubled. So there you see what I got, what I'm working with here, and so I'm gonna get some pans out here, get some of this stuff going, and we'll bring you back. All right, y'all, got the frying pan out, got my stock pot out here. I didn't mention in the first part there that this is 85% lean. I use as lean a burger as I possibly can because I don't want all the grease. But basically I just start breaking it up like that. And got that whole 2.5 pounds in there. I hope if I turn the burner on. And then while I'm doing that, I got that onion cut up nice and coarse. I like mine coarse because, you know, I want the chunks of onion in there. And also I season it, my meat, while I'm cooking it. This is just some chili powder. We'll start out and give it a good helping of chili powder here. And then all I do is I'm going to throw the lid on it and we'll let that start cooking, and then we'll start getting our other ingredients into the stock pot. So let me get things moved around a little bit here and we'll get on that. Alright y'all, let's start filling this here pot here up. We're going to put all 4 of them in here. Alright, there's that. Now we're going to add our crushed tomatoes. And that just gives it some chunkiness. If I have whole tomatoes, I'll put that in there too. I gotta look in the cupboard to see if I have any whole tomatoes, but I got those. Now we're gonna add our beans. It sounds like we're gonna need to be checking our I drain a lot of the juices off the beans and stuff before I put them in. So There's 2 of them. Now I'm only going to start with 4, and if I feel it needs more, I'll add some more. That can have the liquid in it, that's fine. But let me drain this other one here real quick. And like I said, I don't drain all of it off, probably 90%, but that way the chili's not real runny. So, alright, got all those in there. I'll grab a stirring utensil, I'll get that stirred up and get it warming up, and I'm going to stir my beef up here. We'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, got all them ingredients in there. Got my big sturdy stick out, and got it on a medium-high heat just to get it warming up. And I did go ahead and add 2 cans of the tomato paste to it, just to thicken it up some. So you just want to kind of, you don't have to constantly stir it, but you want to just make sure it gets all stirred up real good. And it looks like we're going to have a pretty good consistency for beans and everything. So the hamburger's almost done there, and while we're warming this up, we want to go ahead and throw some chili powder in there. So, and that's nowhere near enough, but I add a little bit here and there as I'm making it, and I do it by taste. And I will add some sugar to this to break the acidity of it, break down the acidity of the tomatoes. It doesn't make it sweet, it just cuts that bitter taste of the tomatoes. So alright, I'm going to shut you guys off. I'm going to keep stirring, keep getting this stuff mixed up, and we'll bring you back when we're moving on to the next phase. Alright y'all, this burger is probably browned enough. It's cooked all the way through. Oh yeah, she's cooked all the way through. Now I'm going to taste it here real quick and see if we got a good good seasoning on it or not. No, we do not. We got to get some more chili powder in there. So, got me some more chili powder here. And there's that. Like I say, I like to season my beef and the liquids too. And you don't have to use beef in this. You can use turkey or sausage or, you know, whatever you want. But this is my traditional cook. That's how I traditionally cook it. So. Gotta leave a few big chunks in there. I want it all broke down. So I'll try that again. See how where we're sitting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's getting there. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the heat off of that. I'm gonna take this. Let's see if I can dump it in there without killing something. Oh, there's that. Grab my spatula. Get all that goodness out of the bottom of that pan. There wasn't much grease in there, so I'm not worried about getting in that chili. It just adds a little extra flavor. So there's that. Put that over in the sink out of the way. And then we're going to stir this up. And we're actually going to move this pot over onto the bigger burner. So drag this over here. That's a bigger burner. Turn it on. Turn my other one off. And see if you guys can, yeah, you guys can still see. Might turn you a little bit, but anyways. Alright, now, got that there. We're going to let that warm up. Once this all gets good and hot, then I'll taste it again. See what it tastes for flavor. See what it needs. See if it needs some sugar. See if it needs some more cayenne or some more chili powder. Either way, we're probably going to have to add more. But we'll bring you all back whenever we're doing some more to it. Alright, y'all. You can see how that's just starting to steam there a little bit. I think we got a good ratio of meat to beans and onions. She just needs to thicken up a little bit. So I'm gonna turn the heat down here a little bit. As soon as it starts bubbling just a little bit, I'm gonna turn the heat down, and I'm gonna simmer this for about 4 hours now. When I make the big pot, it's usually at least 6, maybe 8 hours I simmer it. Get that good and cooked down. Get that real nice and thick. But we're going to let this cook down. We'll bring you back and show you the end results. Alright, y'all. It's been like an hour and a half. It's getting thicker. As you can see, I don't know how much longer I can wait on this, but we're going to try to wait a little longer before we have some. So I just keep stirring it about every 15 minutes, and once it gets to the consistency that I like, which is a little thicker than that, we're going to have some. So hang out, and we'll bring it back when we start having some. Alright, y'all. It's been like 2 hours. I've been smelling this stuff. You can see it's kind of thickened up a little bit more. It's got at least another hour or so to go until I have the consistency I really like. But I can't wait any longer. I'm going to grab me a bowl. I'm going to dish me some out. We're going to eat some of this. So y'all hang out. I'll bring you back after we get it all ready to go. Alright, y'all. There you go. You got the finished product there. I like mine with a little bit of sour cream and some sharp cheddar cheese. And I grabbed me some saltine crackers to put in it to kind of make it a little thicker. But that's how we're going to eat her. So, alright, y'all. There you have it. My universe famous chili that everybody loves once they taste it. And never had anybody say they don't. So, you know, got my bowl here. I'm gonna take me a little bit. That's some good stuff there, man. I'm gonna have another bite because I'm starving. That is some good stuff. And of course, the beverage of the day, a little Lipton green tea. Wash her down. So, if y'all enjoyed that one, please go down there, hit that thumbs up button, give it a like, leave me a comment down below, tell me that you liked it. Tell me if there's anything you'd change in it. You know, I'm always up to new suggestions, but it's a pretty hard recipe to improve on. Ask anybody that's had it. Anyways, please, you know, share this out to your friends. Let them see what we're cooking here. Come on over on Sunday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Join the live chat. Talk to us about, you know, what's going on with tractor pulls, cooking, automotive repair, you know, everything, just life in general. Come on over and hang out. Give us a little chat there. So we're gonna end it here. Appreciate y'all watching, as always. You know, my big old family. You know, so love y'all, and we'll catch you on the next one. As always, bon appetit.